Today's adventure will be cycling again, but today we shall be cycling on people power. I don't know, probably works good with a buffet, don't it? The recharge. But this is our first day people riding on bicycles. Let's do it, man.
You ready?
Yep. Let me get my leather jacket. This is the bicycle trail. Temperature's got to be around 72 degrees. It's lovely. Do everybody. Cheese!
I don't know about you, but I'm keeping my baby.
What are you talking about?
We really haven't made any video clips, and this is just a quick clip I thought I did since we didn't take no pictures today.
Come around a little bit like this. Hey, Marcia.
Hi.
I'm going to ask her if she's in her element. I know the answer. You in your element?
I am.
Come on, baby.
Get off with Ed and Karen bicycling. We couldn't keep up with them. We ended up going back home, and we got on the motorcycles, and we checked out this place in the neat little town.
You're getting a little, oh, whoa. You're getting a little bit of water.
Really?
It's going. Hey, I get a drink of water. Keep going a little faster. Come on, fast. Ah! That didn't work good.
I didn't know that was going to happen.
I didn't either.
Gosh, they were young.
Yeah.
This is so pretty. What's he picking up over there?
Oh my God, it's probably rocks. I can't go over there. I'll never get you back. All I can say right now, Marcia, she collects all these rocks and paints. Lucky we're on the motorcycle. I can only carry so much.
How you like that?
That's cool. It's staying?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful.
Kind of reminded me of Mount Dora, only it was about 2 or 3 times Mount Dora. What a neat little town. We'll have more video. We had some video. I didn't add it on here because Karen's going to add it on.
Holy cow, that's a big one.
Just driving in the residential area, and we're really trying to find the roads that go by the water. And what, like I said, what a sweet little town.
The baby?
Yeah. You don't see that too much. Hey, Sprock. Roll over. Come on. Lay down.
Listen.
Roll over. Go. He gets to roll, but he don't get the over. Hey, you good boy? You good boy? Hey, who the dog? You the dog? Hey, can you howl upside down? Can you howl? Hey, howl. Come here.
Come on.
Sprock.
You can
Howl, Mr. Sprock.
do it. Good.